Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Nosizi, Sibanda, a proudly distributor of Yes Global products. We are currently based in Orange Grove. I started the business because I felt that our community, they need to know more, or we need to open up with the communities for us to talk about health issues that our community is facing. Therefore, my products are here to serve that purpose. Right, currently I've got 6 products, but then I'm anticipating on getting a few more in the coming months. For now, I've got your Sunrise. Your Sunrise is a stem cell product that deals with your health issues. It works on your cells, it builds your cells, it rejuvenates your cells, and it boosts your immune system. I've got colon gut. Colon gut is the one that deals with your colon. Obviously, we need to detox now and then because you know that as a community we eat a lot of junk, and we need to detox now and then. So colon gut is here to serve the purpose of detoxing and allowing your body to use the nutrients that the food is giving. All right, you can get in touch with me on my Facebook. My Facebook, it's Nosizi Sibanda. And then on my Instagram, it's Networking with Nosi. My WhatsApp number is 061 582 9151. Hi, my name is Nosizi Sibanda, and I'm a township entrepreneur.